much. Thank you guys. Have a good one.
Is it for me?
Yep, that one's for you, bud. Thank you.
I mean, straw.
Oh, yep. Here you go. You're welcome. So I knew that today in this area it was going to be rainy or at least like scattered showers, but I really wanted to take him out and explore somewhere that we haven't been. And all the time that I've lived in like the Puget Sound area, I have not come this far, which is Port Townsend. And we drove through the downtown and I was hoping to stop and like walk around there, but something was happening this weekend and there's just so much traffic, so many people. I was like, you know what, let's just go to the beach, let's find this lighthouse.
Don't take me.
Take you where?
Take the lighthouse. Beach.
Yeah, we're gonna see what's going on here.
There's wheels in it.
Huh?
There's wheels in the beach. The wall is wheel.
Is it squishy?
I don't know. Yeah. The wood's pushing me.
You see the lighthouse?
You want to touch the fan? Oh my God, that's
Four steps.
Are you ready?
Do that. You want me to help you?
no.
Okay, I will.
You need to go down deep.
What's up, Buttercup? You want hot cocoa?
Yes.
Alright. Let's see. Where's there some hot cocoa? They have a marine science center that is closed today. But that looks like it might be fun. They have like kayaks and there's different parts of the beach here at Fort Worden. I was hoping that we could see like the forts. There's supposed to be like barracks or like fort like stuff to see, so maybe on our way out I'm gonna drive the long way around. But yeah, today was just kind of an impromptu day. And I think he's getting hungry and or tired, so gotta find some food. Well, looks like this area is closed off. There's deer. Yeah, there's deer.
Hey, look.
Yeah, look out your window. You see the deer? Aw, she's cute. What is she doing?
Let's eat it.
Yeah, she's eating. Say bye-bye, dear.
Papa, dear. That's one thing we do.
Oh, there's another one. Oh. Oh, there's a couple of them. There's some more back there too. Say don't touch him.
Look. He's spiky. He's spiky.
Do you want to go down there? Okay. Do you want to hold Mommy's hand?
No.
No? Okay. Go on.